Hello viewers, Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale and Amazon Great Indian Festivals are coming. A lot of people have a lot of questions in their mind. In this video, I will talk about the questions that people have asked me about tablets, and you will get your answers in this video. One of the users asked me to suggest some tablets under the price bracket of 20,000 rupees. At this current situation, the price of each and every tablet is on the higher side. So I will suggest some tablets during Big Billion Days sale, and you will get those tablets to buy under 20,000 price bracket. The first tablet in the list is Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. This is an entry-level tablet and you can buy this tablet under 20,000 rupees during Big Billion Days sale. The next tablet that you can buy is OnePlus Pad Lite. The battery backup and the software experience of OnePlus Pad Lite is very good. The display quality is average. If you compare it side by side with Samsung tablets, you will feel that Samsung tablets are brighter than this tablet. Wait for the right offers in Big Billion Days sale. The next tablet that you can buy is Redmi Pad 2. This is a direct competitor of OnePlus Pad Lite. I think Redmi Pad 2 has a very good form factor. This tablet will also be available under 20,000 rupees or less. Another user actually wants to know about iPad 11th generation. He wants to know about the best price of iPad 11th generation during Big Billion Days sale. I think during Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Festival, this tablet or iPad will be available under 38,000 price bracket. And considering the current price point, I think 38 or less will be a very good pricing for iPad 11th generation in 2026. Another user actually wants to buy a tablet for multimedia consumption and note-taking. I think you should definitely consider Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE+. Another user is confused between iPad 11th generation and Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE+. If I had to choose a tablet or iPad, I would have chosen iPad 11th generation because it has everything. The processor is excellent and the multitasking and video rendering is also very good. And Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE+ is very good in terms of display, battery backup, note-taking experience. But overall, I think iPad 11th generation is better than Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE+. So these are some of the questions that people have asked me, and I tried my level best to answer these questions. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I will answer your questions in my next video. Thanks for watching this video.